you're wearing.
Thank you.
Too, and I'm gonna sell it.
As long as nobody spills anything.
Don't be concerned. Plus, I'm checking that nobody's dripping any rosé anyway. In that note, I got to sell. This is 2437 square feet. Everything is new, 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 new. I'm gonna say the obvious, but look at these 14-foot ceilings. They're crazy high, yeah. Wow, that's right, you can say that again, wow. Talk about spa bathroom with that beautiful chocolatey dark stone. What about dressing area? Yeah. Don't you feel like this is an apartment where like Carrie Bradshaw would live? Right? Oh, hi, you're definitely Samantha. Huh? Do you love the apartment?
It's amazing.
Have you ever seen so many people in a real estate party?
Actually, no. I'm a little overwhelmed, but it's good. It's exciting.
The entire idea of an open house is that when you walk in, you're like, wow, this is an in-demand property. Packed open houses equals sold. You gotta act now. This launch is a proof of that.
Where are you at, 5'7"?
5995.
Okay, yeah.
So what are the building amenities?
Building amenities.
Do you have a terrace, rooftop?
Like almost all old buildings in Soho, it has no amenities. But that's okay. You're buying the history here. The amenities Soho. Everything is the best, best, best of Soho.
Yeah, it's great. I love the decor. I love everything about it.
Is that an offer?
Coming up.
Tyler Whitman. Hi, Tyler. How are you?
I think the closet's gonna